calling my shit, man. My shit went unlocked, man. On the beat, bitch.
Yeah. I be high like an alien. They look at me like an alien. Swear my blood look Arabian. Out of town, out of state, that's where I'm staying, man. Woke up this morning with my phone froze from the text. 200 messages like Johnny was next. I can't even keep up with the conversations. They just like to talk, I like to demonstrate it. I just split a deuce up with my little lady. Tried to pull a foe, she say you fucking crazy. I ain't really crazy, you know how I get down. But bitch, you ever play me, you be lost and found. I don't look up to nobody but myself. And I don't give a fuck if it ain't about my wealth. And you can be around if you bad for my health. Swear these motherfuckers, they just headed south. I got the true demeanor of a real leaner. Ice water, baby, look like Aquafina. Swear them bitches hitting, see them way up in the bleachers. Bitch, I be my own boss, I don't hang with leeches. Side.
Oh my nigga.
See what you think.
I can rock him, bro. I can rock him.
What do you think?
You saved him, dude. You don't even know how happy I really am right now.
It's kind of dark and you can't really see him that well, but I mean,
Bro.
I got some sick before and after pics, bro.
Bro, I can